Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make watermelon masala. Start by selecting a ripe, firm watermelon. Carefully cut it into manageable pieces, then remove the rind and any seeds. Aim for roughly 1-inch cubes, ensuring they are uniform for even seasoning. This foundational step is crucial for a delightful texture and flavor. Now let's create that vibrant masala. In a small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of your favorite chili powder with 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. For that authentic tangy kick, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of black salt. Mix these spices thoroughly until well combined, forming a fragrant blend that will elevate your watermelon. With your watermelon ready and your masala mixed, it's time to bring them together. Transfer all the cubed watermelon into a large mixing bowl. Evenly sprinkle the aromatic spice blend over the fruit. Now, gently toss the watermelon, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated with the masala. Be careful not to mash the delicate fruit. Almost there. A little chill time enhances the flavors beautifully. Place your watermelon masala in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the spices to meld and the fruit to become wonderfully refreshing. Before serving, consider garnishing with a few fresh mint leaves for an extra burst of aroma and color. Enjoy this unique treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.